Welcome to Goodie Health. Today, we're exploring the top 10 essential health habits for beginners in 2024. Whether you're starting fresh or seeking to improve your health routine, these fundamental tips are your first step towards a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. Begin every day with a glass of water. Hydration enhances your energy, improves skin health, and aids digestion. Ensure your meals are balanced with proteins, carbohydrates, and fats to intake a variety of nutrients. Target at least 30 minutes of physical activity daily. Start simple, a daily walk. Aim for 7-8 hours of sleep each night to aid recovery and lower stress. Allocate time for mental health practices like meditation or journaling. Maintain connections with family and friends to support your emotional well-being. Cutting back on sugar can prevent energy dips and reduce disease risk. Regular health checkups can help identify and manage issues early. Focus on eating slowly and without distractions to improve both digestion and meal satisfaction. Continuously educate yourself about health and wellness to make well-informed care decisions. Here's a surprising bonus tip. Stand up more than you sit. Alternating between sitting and standing throughout the day can significantly decrease the health risks linked to prolonged sitting. Incorporating these habits into your daily routine can make a profound impact on your wellness journey in 2024 and beyond. Remember, it's about making progress, not striving for perfection. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe for more practical health advice. Like this video, share your thoughts or any questions in the comments below, and let us know which health habit you're excited to adopt this year. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay healthy. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.